My name is Krista Barlow, and today I will be presenting CEO for a Day for Blue Shield of California. Blue Shield of California is a California-based health insurance provider headquartered in the Bay Area and created in 1938. The nonprofit corporation is headquartered in Oakland, California. Paul Markovich is the CEO of Blue Shield of California since 2019 and has been with the company 25 years. There are more than 4 million members or subscribers of Blue Shield of California plans. This health insurance company offers a variety of plans including Medicare, Medi-Cal, and commercial plans. Of these, there are segments of medical, pharmacy, vision, and dental plans. Blue Shield of California boasts being on the list for a great place to work. Blue Shield of California's mission is to ensure all Californians have access to high-quality health care at an affordable price. The health insurance provider provides a variety of options based on budget, medical needs, and age. If I were CEO of Blue Shield of California, I would make the effort to improve the Great Place to Work scores. Although Blue Shield of California is already on the Great Place to Work certification list, it currently has an 88%. There is room for improvement for this mission-driven organization. The commitment of employees at Blue Shield of California is to create a healthcare system worthy of our family and friends that is sustainably affordable. The organization employs over 7,500 employees in multiple locations around California. Typical companies score a 59% on the Great Place to Work survey. Some of the biggest takeaways from the Great Place to Work page for Blue Shield of California is time off, work-to-life balance, people, time, and so on. 3 initiatives to improve the score would be 1. Allow employees to choose to return to an office or stay at home permanently when it is safe. 2. Offer more paid time off for a better work-to-life balance. And 3. Increase pay for certain lower-paying roles to stay competitive with the market. Flexible work environment shows employees are more excited to be working where they are and more productive. Home-based employees work 9.5% longer and are 13% more productive. They are also happier, and voluntary termination rates were cut in half. COVID-19 brought on vast changes where employers had to adapt and react quickly. Employers are now looking at what lies ahead for reopening offices for employees. There are mixed experiences at times for those having to do home learning for their children or have a spouse also working at home. However, 92% of Blue Shield of California employees voted in an internal survey that they would like to continue to work remote at least some of the time. Having this type of flexibility can greatly improve the work from home satisfaction in the long run beyond the COVID-19 pandemic. Increased vacation time and paid time off is shown to increase employee satisfaction and productivity. Some companies go as far as to pay for the actual cost of vacations for employees. However, simply increasing the number of days and schedule flexibility is a great start to better work-to-life balance. Employees come back from time off better rejuvenated and actually show more productivity during work hours when given time to handle personal affairs, vacations, and time to reboot. Because value as an employee is directly tied to the salary and dollar amount paid from the employer, it is essential for retention and less turnover to have competitive salaries. Fair trade-off is a major part of employee satisfaction and loyalty. Feeling valued keeps good employees from looking elsewhere when they are compensated fairly and have better paying positions than other competitors in the same industry. With this, employees must feel supported to continue to grow with their employer. When companies don't pay employees well, it has a direct effect on morale.